Today we're going to go over the proper setup of the hemosphere. When setting up the hemosphere, the first thing you want to do is to turn on the machine. This allows the machine to go through its warm-up phase before you actually plug it in. Next, you're going to plug in the electrical cord into the outlet. After plugging in the electrical cord, you're going to want to plug in the Cat5 cable to the capsule. After plugging in the Cat5 cable, we're going to plug in the auxiliary cable to slave in the RA pressure and the ABP pressure. On the back of the hemosphere, you're going to plug in the auxiliary cable to the blue or the top port of the hemosphere. The other end will be plugged into the pressure module in the room. RA to RA. Followed by the slave cable for the ABP port. The ABP is going to be your bottom port on the hemosphere, which is often labeled with the red sticker. And then the other end will be plugged into the ABP module. The first cable we're going to plug into the side of the machine is your SpO2 cable. This goes into slot number 1 on the side of your machine. The next cable we're going to plug in is the continuous cardiac output cable. We're going to take the brown end of the cardiac output cable and plug it into the side port of the hemosphere, brown to brown. On the patient's demographic page, we're going to enter in the patient ID without any dashes, followed by the age of the patient, and then the gender, the height, and the weight. After entering in the information, you're going to hit Next. On this screen, you're going to pick the screen that you want for monitoring. Since we're doing a CCO swan, we're going to go to the invasive monitoring screen and hit Start Monitoring.